What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I want to talk about a new prop firm challenge from FundedNext, which I think is pretty groundbreaking. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. I'm just going to give some info on it. And I think this is a very good opportunity to make some more money with prop firms. FundedNext is one of the only firms that will not just instantly move you to live, which if you're a pretty decent trader, don't really want to be moved to live. Okay, let's be honest. You know, Lucid's been moving the people to live a lot. Apex, you know, even Tradeify now. And, you know, if you want to still milk payouts, I think FundedNext is a good firm. And I'm just going to, you know, go over these challenges and, you know, give my thoughts on them. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest. I'm going to, if I don't like something, I'm going to tell you guys. All right, so let's get started here. So FundedNext, okay, there's going to be one plan, one price. You choose how to get paid at your risk. And one of the things I like about FundedNext is they don't actually, they'll send you $1,000 to your bank account if they don't pay you within 24 hours. Pretty insane. Is it true? Yes, I have proof. One of my students actually didn't get their payout in 24 hours. He literally sent me proof. He sent me everything. It was like probably, I think 7 months ago. So that was pretty cool. But there's two plans. There's the Rapid Daily and the Rapid Pro. Okay, I am going to be straight up with you guys. I prefer the Rapid Daily. Okay, the 1 day pass, no consistency rule. Okay, that's what I prefer because you know, there's daily rewards. Whereas the Rapid Pro, there's only, you know, every 3 days. There's no daily loss limit on the Rapid Pro, and there's a loss limit on the Rapid Daily. But as a trader, you kind of want a daily loss limit, don't you? Like, I feel like that's smarter, you know. So, you know, this is obviously an add-on option, but I think this is going to be better. I'd like the no consistency rule for both, but again, I prefer the daily rewards for sure. Okay, end of day drawdown, there's no trailing drawdown bullshit, so that's good. Okay, now with a Rapid Daily, okay, you can withdraw a reward every single day. This is why I love it, because it's kind of like trading your own live account, except you're on a demo sim money. Okay, and it's like this would be the same thing as if you trade Lucid then got moved to a live account, except this is not a live account and you still get paid daily. Okay, so again, amazing. And obviously there's no consistency rule, so if you make like $5,000 a day and then you want to make $200 the rest of the days, you can do that. All right, I just had a student, he actually just hit me up. He kind of traded this way. This is kind of cool. Check this out. Okay, I don't think this was FundedNext, but he got a payout doing this. Okay, look at this. It's in my testimonial challenge. This guy Joey, $200 day, 164, $7,500 day. So he must have full ported or something, which is fine, especially if you're trading a prop firm. But it's cool because on these no consistency payout, you know, challenge accounts, he's getting one big day and then he's going for all small days and he just has a giant buffer. And this is what I like about, you know, FundedNext. You can do this. Okay, and that is what I call sim farming. I think this is smart. You know, a lot of people don't understand this is smart, not dumb. Okay, in a live account you can't do that, but I think for, you know, fun account you should be able to do this. Okay, Rapid Pro, you know, it's more affordable obviously, but there's no daily, you know, payouts. You can obviously get a payout every 3 days. Again, I like the daily better, but it's up to you. So yeah, there's also a daily loss limit add-on. Listen, man, this is up to you. If you add a daily loss limit, it gives you a percentage off the price. I would do it because why in the world would you be losing $1,000 on a $50,000 account in a day? First of all, that means you're just gambling. Okay, and second of all, you're getting money off for having better risk management. So you're getting paid to have better risk management and become a better trader. Why would you not do that? Okay, you know, 90% profit split, again, pretty good. No activation fee, amazing. It doesn't really get better than this, and they're not just going to instantly move you to live account, which I think is a great thing about FundedNext, because a lot of these firms have been starting to move people to live, you know, a lot, and it's not great. To be completely honest, that's, you know, it's just tough, you know, when you have to go to a live when you can just trade your own live account. So yeah, with code Dodgy, you're gonna get 50% off Rapid Pro and daily account, which is $150, and if you add the daily loss limit, it's only gonna be $109, which keep in mind that's no activation fee. Okay, and I would definitely add this because why would you not? I just don't understand why you wouldn't want to get a cheaper discount for managing your risk better. Okay, so you guys can take a look at this. You know, here's more of the pricing points. There's nothing really out of the ordinary. Profit target 3,000 like always. One-time fee, no activation fee, max withdraw. The only thing, so I am gonna say downside. Okay, FundedNext probably will not like me saying this in the video, but I don't care. Okay, I will be honest. I think this max withdrawal could be a little higher. Okay, now if you copy trade, it doesn't matter too much. But for you beginners, you know, trading one account, you know, definitely low on the withdrawal. I would prefer like 2 to 3K maybe. Okay, but that's okay because, you know, if you're copy trading, you can obviously make a lot more. Okay, but yeah, I mean, I think they got some pretty good plans right now. I really like the idea of getting that discount for adding the daily loss limit, because then not only is it going to make you a better trader, but you shouldn't be hitting that daily loss limit anyways. And you know, it works on Tradeify, Ninja, TradingView. So yeah, if you use code Dodgy, you get a discount. I'm really liking FundedNext lately, and that's pretty much all I got, man. I mean, there's a couple downsides like the max withdrawal, but everything else pretty solid. And you know, they got the daily payouts. So that's gonna be it for this video. You know his code to use. I'll see you in the next one. If you guys have any questions, I will be answering comments in this video. Like if you have any questions about these plans, this is pretty interesting. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Maybe I'm like missing something that's like makes this plan really bad, but I don't really see any drawdown with this. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.